In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time using the time function. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to add a specific amount of time to an existing time value in your spreadsheet using the time function. This is great for schedules, timesheets, or any scenario where you need to add hours, minutes, or seconds without doing mental math. Let's set the scene. Imagine you already have a starting time in cell A1, and it reads 9 o'clock a.m. That's your baseline. Before we add anything, make sure the spreadsheet recognizes A1 as a time. If it looks like 9 o'clock a.m. and aligns to the right by default, you are likely good. If it shows up as a plain number or text, you may need to apply a time format so the result displays correctly. Now for the formula. Click into the cell where you want the new time to appear and type is equals to A1 plus time 2. 30. 0. Here is what's happening under the hood. The time function takes three parts: hours, minutes, and seconds. In that order. In this example, time 2, 30, 0 represents 2 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds. The function converts those numbers into a valid time value that your spreadsheet understands. By adding it to a 1, you are telling the spreadsheet to take 9 o'clock a.m. and add exactly 2 hours and 30 minutes. When you press enter, you should see 11:30 a.m. That result appears because spreadsheets store dates and times as serial values. A full day equals 1. So 1 hour is a fraction of that day. The time function builds the correct fraction for 2 hours and 30 minutes, and adding it to the base time returns a proper formatted time. If you are wondering about edge cases, this method still works. If the addition pushes past midnight, the display will wrap to the next day's time, depending on your cell formatting. You might see only the time. If you need to show the date as well, you can choose a format that includes both, but the calculation itself remains accurate. A quick note about the last 0 in time 2. 30. That's the seconds value. If you ever need to add seconds, you can change that number, and the function will handle it the same way. That's all there is to it. Start time in a 1, then use is equals to a 1 plus time 2. 30, 0, and you'll get 11:30 a.m. Thanks for watching.